Hey guys, it's Karen Merrill. Welcome to the channel. In today's video, we're going to be talking about passive income ideas for 2018. And if this is your first time to the channel, welcome. This channel is all about affiliate marketing, how to make money online, how to make money from home, and how to have freedom and choices to do what you love. And if those are things that you're interested in, go ahead and click the subscribe button and the bell icon. That way you'll be notified when I upload new videos, which right now is on a daily basis. And if you're returning to the channel, thank you. I really appreciate your support. And with that being said, let's go ahead and get into the content, which again is passive income ideas for 2018, 6 legit ways. Number 1 is to create a YouTube channel and receive passive income from ads. So what you do is you have to have at least 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 watch hours within 12 months, and then you can apply for the YouTube Partners program. And I would recommend that you create a channel if you're trying to make money online around one of 3 niches, which would be health, wealth, or relationships. Those are the 3 most profitable niches, and those are the areas in which people have the most problems. And you're going to create valuable content around those areas, and then you can be approved for the Partners program, and that's where there's an ad placed at the beginning of your video, and if somebody clicks on that ad and goes to that website, then you earn a portion of money. And something that'll kind of inspire you is someone that I have been following on YouTube said that he started posting videos once a day, which is the most recommended if you can do that, because that builds momentum. And he built a following of 100,000 subscribers, and his passive income through just the Google AdSense is anywhere from $8,000 to $10,000 a month. So that's good inspiration to use YouTube as a passive income. Number 2 is to create a blog, and then you can also receive passive income from Google AdSense by placing ads on your blog. So when people come to your blog and they click on your ads, then you get paid. Number 3 is affiliate marketing, and what I would recommend is something where it's a tool that people use on a monthly basis, so you get recurring income from that. And 2 things that people need is a sales funnel builder and an email autoresponder. And I'm going to leave a link below this video, and the one that I recommend, because it has so much in it as far as the tools. The software has so many things that it has inside of it. It has a sales funnel builder, email autoresponder. It also has where you can create your own products, webinars, apps. There's just so much inside of this tool, and it's $49 a month, but the affiliate part of it is very lucrative, so you want to check that out. I'm going to leave a link below this video. So it's something that people will continue to use every month rather than just them buying it one time. And number 4 is private real estate investing platforms. And one that you should check out is called FUNDRISE. It's more affordable and you can diversify. And the great thing about it too is that they'll buy back your investment in the first 90 days if you're not satisfied. So this is more affordable for people who are wanting to do some sort of real estate investing, but they don't have enough to buy a house and do rental properties. So this is a great way that you can get into real estate investing. Number 5 is to invest in an index fund, and that's the most popular stock. I have Vanguard, and over a 10-year span, the return is about 7% on mutual funds. I spelled that wrong. Mutual funds. Okay, so that's a great way to have your money be working for you. And you can set it up so it automatically withdraws from your bank account every month. You can do even like $50 a month. And number 6 is to rent out a spare room. And how you're going to do that is you're going to sign up to be a host at AIRBNB. And I've stayed at some Airbnbs. It's a really, really great way. Well, it's affordable when you go to stay there, but it's even better if you can rent out a spare room. And even if you wanted to just do it on the weekends and you went and stayed with relatives or friends and you rented out a spare room, or you could even rent out your whole house for the weekend. And some of these places, you know, they get a lot of money for a weekend or for a night. So that's number 6. And these are, again, some passive income ideas for 2018, but I want to give you just like one kind of different aside, but it has to do with making money. This book, and I'm going to leave a link below this video as well to this, but it's called Flipping Burgers to Flipping Millions by Bernard Kelly. And he was somebody who, for some reason, he just loved working at, he loved everything about McDonald's. He loved working at McDonald's. So he built his way up to being manager, but he was able to, by using his money wisely, he was able to turn it into millions on just a salary of being a manager at McDonald's. And I've bought this for a lot of young people because I think this education in here is just tremendous, because it talks about the power of compound interest, where when you start at a young age investing, even at a small return on your investment, how that will build over time. And he has 3 different plans, like if you're like super frugal, kind of moderate, and then, you know, 3 different ways. He did the most, he invested the most that he could, and he lived off the smallest amount that he could. But it's absolutely possible. And this book, I would highly recommend it, because it is a way that you can, over time, make your money work for you and have so much more than you ever thought you could have, even on a salary like his. So just wanted to throw that out there to you. It's another way that you can make money. So that's it for this video. I hope you received value from it. If you did, go ahead and click the thumbs up, give me a like, and again, subscribe to the channel, and I look forward to seeing you on the next video. Take care. Bye now.